Great news for Victoria area real estate and British Columbia as a whole. Despite all the mortgage stress test, NDP vacancy speculation, property transfer tax, and all the other measures that have gone in and dampened the real estate market since 2016, we saw a big macro financial help by the Bank of Canada yesterday, which cut its overnight rate by 50 bips down to 1.25%, citing economic pressures and headwinds due to the COVID-19 virus. The country's also facing severe political unrest, transportation issues, and trade issues with China. So all of this has motivated the Federal Bank of Canada to drop its key lending rate by 50 bips. So this rate has really been increasing since about mid-2017. From 2015 to 2017, we saw the lowest ever in history, about 0.5%. But since then, the rate has more than tripled to 1.75%, where it was until yesterday. So now we're from 1.75 down 50 bips to 1.25%. The expectation now is that prime rates at the key lenders, Canada's big five banks, will be passed along to consumers. But sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes the banks keep the margin for themselves to increase their balance sheets. But we didn't see this yesterday. Royal Bank of Canada led the way, dropping its prime rate by the full 50 basis points. Some of the big banks followed, except for National Bank. As of today, that could change very shortly. TD Bank didn't pass along the full 50 bips to its consumers. Its rate remains higher than the other banks at higher by 15 bips than the other banks at 3.60%, except for its home equity line of credits, which are 3.45% right now. So today's rate drop is likely not going to be the last, as there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets, the macro economy, and Canada as a whole. So we could see rates drop down to 2015, 2016 levels. And if you remember what 2015, 2016 was like for the residential real estate market, it was absolutely crazy. That's when we saw rapid price acceleration, lots of speculation, even though that should be dampened this time due to the speculation tax. A rapid price acceleration in 2016, 20, 30, 40% was not uncommon. So if you're looking to get into the market this year, you're gonna face steep competition, especially in the $300,000 to $900,000 range. I'm working with multiple buyers right now in this range, and we are constantly in the battle in submitting offers, and often losing out on offers even when we're offering above asking price. So find yourself a good real estate agent. I'd be happy to work with you, have a conversation to see how you can put your best foot out the door this spring, whether you're a buyer or a seller in Victoria's real estate market. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.